Hello friends, I present to your attention a drink holder which can be mounted on T-tracks of boats. The design consists of a corpse, a retainer and a special adapter, equipped with a T-bolt and a handle nut. Thanks to this adapter, you don't need any additional mounts for installation. 7.5 degree spline micro washers allow for adjustment towards horizon when moving along the gunwale. To fix the holder on a T-track, you need to insert its T-bolt into the track, move the accessory to a convenient place, and fix it by tightening the handle nut. The accessory allows you to keep various drinks at hand. There are 3 locking positions. When open, you can install a mug with a handle in it. When closed, secure this handle. The 3rd position completely covers the side cut and turns the holder into an additional container for storing various items. We emphasize that this accessory is more than just a cup holder. It also serves as an organizer, helping to keep order and save space on the boat. This is possible thanks to the oblong holes arranged around the circumference of the holder. They not only allow for hanging additional tools and tackles, but they are also convenient for securing BORIKA FASTen PVC bags, designed on the mall principle. This expands possibilities for using of this compact accessory. All plastic parts are made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide. The range also includes a drink holder with a common adapter, designed for installation in mounts and mounting systems. The T-track adapter can be purchased separately. I personally guarantee you the high quality of BORIKA products, because I am their creator, inspirer, and active user.